So a quick one, if you want to do this trendy cooking AI video of human versus AI, I don't know how we'll combine it. One thing you have to do is this. Number one, you have to record your full cooking video. Yes, you have to record your full cooking video. So after you have recorded all your cooking videos from the starting to the ending, let me give you a trick that will make your cooking video stand out. For example, I want my video, maybe I have a vision like I want my cooking video now. I want to do spaghetti. I want the spaghetti that the maybe an elephant will throw the spaghetti and the strand of that spaghetti is going to pour into my pot. What am I going to do? I'm going to position my camera overhead camera shoot on my pot. Then I will make sure that my hand will not show in that before my pot is already on the stove now. My camera is like this. I will make sure my hand will not show if I want to pour that spaghetti into the pot. So my spaghetti is already in my hand. I'll pour it into the pot. So the picture that you need for that spaghetti now that elephant is going to carry, you as an individual, is either you put that spaghetti on your tabletop and snap it, or you hold the spaghetti in your hand. Like that my video when I was holding a blender. Yes, I was holding a blender and I snapped that blender while it was in my hand, because I already have a vision that I'm going to fly to the market, carry tomatoes, then the tomatoes will be in the blender, then I'll use it to hit the screen. That was my vision. It was already in my head, even before I do my video. So before we go straight to the practical class, these are things I want you to always put in your head whenever you want to create AI video. And for those of you that are eager to learn this trendy AI video now, number one, make sure that you have multiple image. If you want to cook spaghetti, maybe you have the image of the spaghetti. If you want to show in that scene, you have an image of you holding the spaghetti, holding the tin tomatoes, holding the onions, holding your pot, as many images as you can generate. Then after you have snapped all the image with those things, either you holding them or the things are lying on the tabletop, you snap as many images as you want. Then you do a complete video, your normal video. So once you generate your image, all you just have to do is your video, your AI video versus your normal video. Just put the things just like a puzzle. Put the right the tomato, so where normal as a cook, this time na tomatoes they want for pot. That simple. This time it's time for onions. So the scene where you put your own normal onions, you are going to trim and cut. You throw away that one, then you put your own. So I just want to give you a summary, some tips and everything. But definitely once you start progressing, you'll definitely know what to do. Yes, you'll definitely know what to do. So this is one thing I want you to just put at the back of your mind. Once you are generating any video at all, you need as many images as you can for you to have smooth transition, for you to have smooth video.